Hi, this is Kylan from Foothill Beekeeping. Today we are going to be making and using mite pads to prevent infestations in our beehives. We will be treating the Varroa Mite, which reproduces in a honey beehive and clings onto the bee's body. This mite can kill an entire colony by sucking on each bee and wounding it. These mites are the worst in late autumn through early spring and are a pretty big deal in the beekeeping industry. An adult female mite is a reddish-brown color, while the male is white. They are flat and round, about 1 to 2 millimeters long and 2 millimeters wide. There are a few different ways of testing for mites in our beehive, but most require killing about 100 bees. Since our hives are still small and young, we cannot take that risk. We're going to start treating for mites now, and later on when our hives are more established, we'll do some proper testing. Our pads are made of glycerin, shop towels, and oxalic acid, which can be found in fruits and vegetables. The materials that you'll need for this project are shop towels, oxalic acid, mixing bowls, glycerin, scale, and safety equipment. We're going to start off with our food-grade glycerin and pour 25 milliliters into our bowl. It's important to get the measurements correct because we do not want to harm our bees. We don't need our safety equipment yet because food-grade glycerin is safe to use. Next, we need to add 25 grams of oxalic acid. We're going to start by putting our bowl on the scale and tearing it so it says 0. Now, we're going to keep adding oxalic acid until the weight is 25 grams. Now, we've reached 25 grams, so we're going to stir the solution until it gets clear. We're back from a quick warm-up in the microwave for 10 seconds just to get it a little easier to stir, because after time it tends to gel up a bit. Now, we need to pour our solution onto our shop towel until the weight measures 31 grams, including the towel. The final step is that we simply have to mush the liquid all the way around the towel, making sure to get every section wet. This might be a little tricky because, again, the solution will firm up over time, so this might take some effort. We'll just finish squeezing it up and then put it in the plastic baggies so tomorrow we can install it in our beehive. It's the next day and we're going to install the mite pads in all 3 of our hives. First, we have to take off the lid and prepare the area. Now we've got the pad and we're just going to brush some of the bees out of the way and gently lay it down. Try to avoid squishing as many bees as possible. Thanks for watching this educational video in our Working with Bees video series. We hope you enjoyed it. But that's not it. We have more for you to watch. Just click here to watch the next one and click here to subscribe. Check out our website at www.foothillbeekeeping.com. That's www.foothillbeekeeping.com. Or email us at foothillbeekeeping@gmail.com.